Hello friends, hope you are doing good. So if you are facing issue with your CPU uses 100%, in this video we are going to optimize our system performance and fix the 100% uses of CPU. So let's start with our first step. Disable all the background application and disable all the startup apps. So first click on the Windows icon, then click on this settings option. Now click on this privacy option. Now on the left side scroll down and you will see the option of background apps. So these are the background applications which are currently enabled. So disable all the background applications. Now disable the startup apps. So right click on the taskbar, then click on task manager, then click on this tab startup. So these are the startup applications I have. So you have to disable all the startup application by right click on it, then click on disable. So disable all the startup applications one by one. Now move on to our next step. Set your PC for the best performance. So for this, click on the Windows icon, then type view advanced system settings. This is the option, click on it. Now click on this advanced tab in the performance column, click on settings. Now you have four options, click the third one, adjust for the best performance. Select this option, then click on apply, then click on OK, then click on OK. So these settings will optimize your PC and reduce the CPU uses. Now move on to our next step, repair or replace all the Windows corrupted files. So for this, click on the Windows icon, then type cmd. Now right click on command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Now you have to type a command to repair or replace Windows corrupted files. So the command will be sfc /scan now, press enter, and this process will take around 3 to 5 minutes to complete. So I will fast forward this video. Process completed. Now cut this window and restart your system. This will fix the error. Now move on to the final part of the video. Scan your PC with antivirus. So in Windows 10 you will get a preloaded antivirus. Click on Windows icon, then type antivirus. Click on this Windows security option. So this is the preloaded antivirus in Windows 10. Click on this virus and threat protection option, then click on scan options. Now here you have four options: quick, full, custom and Microsoft Defender offline scan. So go for the full scan. Select full scan option, then click on scan now. So this will scan your PC completely, and if there is any virus, this will remove that virus as well. So these are the features you can apply to minimize or normalize your CPU uses in Windows 10. This is all for the video. Thank you.